Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw a semicircle on the top of the page. Next we draw same semicircle under first one. Like that. We draw a straight line. We draw another straight line. And we join this two with a curve. Now, we draw ice cream using circle. We draw 3 circles repeatedly and we draw same into it. Now it's time to coloring. We use brown color in the curved line. We use yellow color on the cone part of the ice cream. We color it very carefully. Yellow color. In the first circle on the ice cream, we use light green color. We use red color in the second circle shape. Here we use sky blue to color the last one. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.